It's Devious RC. It's another hot day here in sunny Florida. I'm gonna take my MD-500 out, FPV mode, and see how hot that ESC gets, and see if the fan that I modify on it, keeps it cool or not. So we're gonna do a fan off one flight, and then second flight will be fan on. Check it out. All right, guys. FPV is good. Head tracking is good. On the helipad, everything's good. Right now I'm holding on GPS stable mode, which I'm got my hands off the controller. See the helicopter just stay in this position. I set the timer for 8 minutes and I'm running on 20 seconds left out of the 8-minute flight time. So it's gonna go over. My second timer is for 9 minutes and it has about 1:12. So let's see how far it goes before it goes to voltage. Oh, there it goes. Voltage cutoff. Well, not voltage cutoff. Return to home because of voltage getting low. And I still have about 1 minute left on the 9-minute mark. So 8-minute flight time with the 4,000 milliamp. All right, so the copter has landed. Not that far from the heli pod that I started with, but these GPS return to homes are pretty accurate, but not that accurate. All right, let's take a look. Got my heat gun. All right, I see the ESC, no fan. $172. So we're looking at about 170. Yep, about 170 on the ESC. VTX 140-ish. Not bad. I mean, it has a fan on it that comes built in with the Explorer kit. So let's see how it does with the fan operating. So right now I have the fan off. We'll take a look at that and see what the temps are. All right, YouTube, flight 2. Let's see how this one goes. This one's gonna be fan on. See how the ESC handles. right, guys, I know it's hard to see, but we're getting to our 9-minute mark on the 4,000 milliamp 60C discharge battery with the fan on to keep everything cool, and is just now returning home. Look at that. So we made 9 minutes on the 4,000 milliamp 60C with the fan cooling system on. All right, so the copter's landed. Let's take a look. Sorry about that. Trying to get everything off. Okay, that's the ESC. Let's take a reading. Wow. I mean, look at that. 105 or 107. That's the top out. So, guys, if you want to do this mod, I definitely recommend it. As you can see, it kept those temps low from 171 to just 105 flat. That is good temps on that. VTX 94. No, well, 107. 107 on the VTX. All right, guys. So as you saw, that 4,000 milliamp 60C battery actually ran for a minute longer while you kept the ESC cool and everything inside the cabinet cool on this heli. So I thought it was a good test. You saw the heat levels. They were very low at 105, 107, the most for the ESC, compared to when it was at 171 when I had the fan not on. I hope you guys like what you saw. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.